Hello everyone. Today I will be taking fluid mechanics question and second is on hydrology. So let's start with fluid mechanics first. A pipeline of diameter 100 mm is laid on a slope ground. At a particular point the piezometric head is 20 meters. The elevation of the pipe is 6 meters from the datum. The total energy of water at that point is 26 meters. Determine the velocity of water through the pipe in meters per second. So let's first draw the diagram first. That is, this is a pipeline and which is of 100 mm diameter. Okay, you have piezometric head which is calculated always from the datum. So this is the datum. This piezometric head, that is P by rho g plus Z, it is given to be 20 meters. Okay, now we move on to next, that is the elevation of the pipe is 6 meters from the datum. So at this point you know that this value is 6 meters. Then he is saying the total energy of water at that point is 26 meters. Total energy is nothing but piezometric head, that is P by rho g plus Z plus kinetic head, that is V square by 2g. So this value you know, that is 20 meters. Okay, plus V square by 2g, and this is equal to total energy. What is total energy over here? That is 26 meters. So that is 26. So on solving this we get V as V square by 2g is equal to 6. So V is under root 2 times G is what? 9.81 multiplied by 6. This whole thing is under root. So V comes out to be root over of 2 into 9.81 into 6. That is 10.849. That is approximately 10.85 meters per second. Okay, so let's check the answer. That is option A is the correct answer. Now moving on to next, we have if on hydrology. If 600 ml of rainwater is collected by Simon's rain gauge, which is a non-recording rain gauge of diameter 12.7 centimeter at a place, then rainfall depth recorded at that place is how much in centimeters. So there are options given. So basically you know that rainfall depth can be calculated by simple formula called as volume collected by the collector, upon surface area of collector. Okay, so let's see what's the volume, that is 600 ml. So if we write in centimeters, so let's convert 600 ml in centimeter cube, that is 600 centimeter cube, because 1 ml is 1 centimeter cube. Okay, and surface area of collector is you know the diameter, so you can calculate the area of the collector from the diameter, that is pi by 4 d square, pi by 4 into d square. D is how much? 12.7 centimeter, so it will be square. Okay, Now calculating rainfall depth, we get, so let's do it by calculator, that is 600 divided by pi by 4 into d square, 12.7 square. So that comes out to be 4.736. So over here we get, we approximately say that it is 4.74 centimeters, because every unit is in, this will be centimeter square. So the answer comes out to be in centimeter. Okay, so we mark here the option C. Hope you like the video and you got your answer. Okay, thank you.